Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to first tell you happy Friday. It is T-shirt Friday, which is amazing. I want to take a few minutes and show you something super cool that's going to save you money, make you more effective, and probably make you smile on a Friday. So what I want to talk about is how you can use a free online source to manage your leads week in, week out, so you're not constantly, shaking around a stack of leads. This is a way to stay really organized. So let's dive in. I want to introduce you to Trello. Okay, you ready? Here we go. So this is Trello, Trello.com. Trello. That's how you spell it, right? There. Okay. And so go to Trello.com, set up an account, and create a board. And this is what a board looks like. And I'm not going to show you how to set up a board because that's easy. And if you don't know how to do it, then you probably shouldn't own a computer. So go to Trello, set up a board, and then do this, exactly what I show you. And it's going to change your life. Okay? So we're going to create a list. And think of these as your categories. So I'm going to create this one. It's going to be called New Leads. And I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to create another one, and it's going to be called Appointments Set. And then I'm going to create another one called, Follow-Ups. I'm going to save it. You see where I'm going with this. This one's called Sales. And this one's called Paid. Okay? So then what we do is every time you get your new leads, think about your lead card, right? You've got a paper lead card, but then you also have this new digital lead card. So you're going to go in here and you're just going to click Add Card. Okay, let's call this one Joe Client. Okay, boom. Let's call this one Sally Client, Betty Client, Susie Client, Drew Gurley Client. Okay. And so now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leads in your system, right? So if we've received these leads, you can go in here, you can add in the phone number. So you could either have your assistant do this, your virtual assistant do this. You could do it. But the point here is you want to put in their phone number, their address. So, 123 ABC Lane. You could put in the lead type if you wanted to. You can just put all the relevant information that's on the lead that you received back from the insurance company, from the client in your direct mail campaign or your internet campaign. So you go and you put in their info, you click Save. Okay. Now you can add in comments and you can track them. So you could say, I called to set the appointment, but they weren't home. Okay. Boom. Save the comment. Okay, I called and spoke to Joe's wife, and he is working until 7. Call back at 7 o'clock, right? So now I know that I'm supposed to call back at 7 o'clock. So instead of being a new lead, I'm simply going to take Joe. I'm going to move Joe over here to my follow-ups because now I have to follow up with him at 7 o'clock, right? So let's say I went through that same process, and then I'm calling Sally. All right, I put Sally's information in, right? Enter it all in. I save my notes, called, and set appointment for Tuesday at 3. Boom, save. I'm going to move Sally over to appointment set. Okay, you see the process here. So I go and I have my appointment with Sally. I sell her, make a great sale. I'm really pumped up. I know I need to sell more for the week, but now I'm like, wait a second, this was a great sale. It's a huge sale. Maybe I can take off and go golfing. Not a good idea. You need to keep to your goals. You need to keep going after it. You need to keep setting your appointments. Keep prospecting. Don't get lazy. So you've made the sale. Now you come into Trello and you move it to sales. Pretty awesome. Well, then what? Then you get commissions. What happens when you get commissions? You move Sally over to paid. Right? Well, then you've made your commissions. Now you have a whole list of your clients and your leads. So say you followed up with Joe. You set the appointment. Then you made the sale. You moved him to sales. Then you got paid. And you move him to paid. And so on and so forth. This is completely free. You can start using it immediately and start, keeping better track of your leads when you're out in the field. It's fantastic. And they have a really cool app for your phone. So you can do it on your iPhone. You can do it on your Android. You can do it on your laptop. You can do it on your desktop. You can do it wherever you can get internet. You can get to your Trello account. And it's a free lead management tool for you to track all of your leads. So over time, you're going to have all your new leads that you never got a hold of. Then you're going to have all the appointments set, right? And then you're going to know if you made those to sales, you're going to move them. All of your follow-ups, all the cases you've been paid on. But let's say something happens. And Sally calls you and says, I need to see you again. I need to add coverage. Well, simply move her back to your follow-up list. So now you, at the end of the day, if you've gone through all your follow-up list, you know exactly where to put them. You're either going to put them in appointment set because you either reset it, or you're going to move them back to sales because you sold it, or you're going to keep them follow-ups because you still need to get a hold of them. And so this is a way for you to easily move your lead cards around and to not have any issues with a stack of direct mail cards or printouts from your computer. Keep yourself organized. Use this really great, fantastic free tool and make more sales because you're more organized. More organization equals more sales. If you have any questions, you can check us out at redbirdagents.com. My contact information is lathered all over that website. Hit me up. Let me know if you want me to walk you through this. Trello.com, Trello.com. It's free. Get it. Got it. Good. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys next week.